As the Christmas season arrives, our hearts at Lyceum Global are filled with gratitude for a year of challenges, yes, but even more. A year of blessings, of hope, and of giving. In 2025, the grace movement has continued to grow, reaching oceans, generations, and communities from Houston to Hanoi, from preschool classrooms to youth leadership summits. In Vietnam, our Grace for Kindergarten program is now in full bloom, serving 6 preschools and kindergartens in Hanoi and Bac Giang. Here, our youngest learners are discovering how to live with gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement, one small act of kindness at a time. This summer, the Grace Vietnamese Youth Leadership Summit brought together 60 teenagers from across the country, each learning to lead with compassion and purpose. At Van Houston Academy, another 70 students of age 10 to 14 joined our Grace Summer Camp, learning teamwork, creativity, environmental issues, and community through play and reflection. And in Houston, our Youth Empowerment Summit, Yes Camp, empowers 60 young adults to lead change with courage, empathy, and hope. Each of them left not just with skills, but with a deeper commitment to live and serve with grace. Behind every program, there are countless hearts, volunteers, educators, donors, and partners who pour their love and dedication into every detail. To each of you, we say thank you. This December, we pause to breathe, reflect, and give thanks for every challenge that makes us stronger, for every partnership that gave us hope, and for every hand that helped us carry this light forward. From all of us at Lyceum Global, we thank you for being part of this journey. May your season be filled with peace, gratitude, and grace.